I'm Scout. Who are you? What are you doing here? Huh?
Today we're going to be unboxing
The Barbie face mask.
Day Spa. So as you can see, we have Barbie right here. It comes with a cute little puppy, Play-Doh,
So,
the stand, and then we have all the accessories up here. So let's get started.
are you excited, Scout? Huh?
Alright, so everything's just kind of in rubber bands, but she's taking out the puppy. Oh my goodness, look how cute he is. And of course he comes with his little thing. Scout, do you like it? Is that going to be your new friend now? Oh, look at him. Alright, and then let's try to take out Barbie here. Oh, it's like stuck. Alright. Working on her feet. And here's Barbie with one shoe. Alright, so here we have her. She's come in this gorgeous robe right here. Super cute. And then she comes with these little sandals for these shoes. As you can see, she's in her nice comfy robe, and she's come with some gorgeous blue shoes.
Scout. Isn't she cozy, buddy?
Hi. And then she has a little headband on, and her hair's just kind of laid behind her so she can get her stuff done without having her hair in her face. She's gorgeous, and she comes, and her legs are bendy too, so she can move and bend her legs.
Buddy.
And now, as you can see, we're opening the Play-Doh. That's the purple one.
Right? Scout, can you feel it? Yeah. I can
Alright, so
feel
we're
it.
open up the Play-Doh.
Can you feel it? Can you sniff it? Huh? What do you want to do with it?
It's nice new Play-Doh. Oh, I just love it. It smells pretty good too.
Oh yeah, it kind of smells like lavender almost. It's so soft. Like,
Oh my gosh. I just love the feeling of new Play-Doh.
yeah.
So this is Barbie's blue chair over here. It's stuck in a rubber band, so I'm seeing if I can get this out. So it's a nice cozy chair. You can see it's padded. It's a gorgeous blue chair. So let's put Barbie in her chair. Her legs can just kind of go over the side. She looks super nice and relaxed.
I'm going to see if I can get out the face mask.
Alright, so there's a lot of plastic, but we've managed to get everything out. So here it all is. We have Barbie here, her chair, her little stand, all of her accessories, her little puppy, the Play-Doh, and of course, Scout, who apparently is relaxing right now. Aww. Alright, so here we are. We got all the Play-Doh. And of course, it came with this little spray, and this marker, which I think is part of the face mask. I think, if I'm corrected, you can like put it on her face, and then you take the Play-Doh, and then you can like peel it off. So this is really cool. I think this is a special marker. But yeah, let's start to set it up. Alright, here we go. So I think all the balls.
It's so soft. Like, so soft. If you ever just saw this set, it's gonna be so soft.
Yeah, fresh Play-Doh is like my favorite. I'm trying to stick this in there. There we go. Alright. So Scout, what do you think of this? Do you like it? Do you like it? You chilling?
Scout, what are you doing?
Scout. Alright, so Barbie's just gonna relax here. She got her cucumber face mask. Oh no, it's not staying on. Stay on. Okay, let's try this one maybe. Oh my goodness.
Here's the doggy.
It's like trying to rest. There we go. There we go. She's chilling, taking a nice little nap.
Put
and
it
now
on
we
dog.
can start to set it up.
I can't put it on a doggy. Hey.
Yeah, the doggy is supposed to relax too. All right, can I get it?
I'm gonna put some Play-Doh
Yeah.
in one of the bowls.
The dog's chilling too. Oh my goodness. So we can put the Play-Doh in the bowls now. So I'm gonna open the blue Play-Doh. She's working on the purple Play-Doh. Uh-oh, Barbie fell down. Let's sit her back up. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my goodness. The color is just so pretty. Like, it's like an aqua blue.
Right.
So I'm just gonna put this into the bowl here.
Let's put this right there. I have no idea where the purple one went.
All right, now we're working on the pink one. All right, so we just put the Play-Doh in, and let's put the last one up. There we go. All right, so we got the pink, the blue, and the purple.
And I'm just gonna put the containers right in the cubby.
Yeah, there's like a whole little stash, as you can see there, that comes along with the whole overall setup. And then we're just gonna put the soap away. And then the
Scout
face
is
masks can go in
And
too.
Scout is just taking over the puppy's bed.
All right, so now we can choose a color to do the face mask. Which color do you want?
Let's do the pink.
Yeah, that's an excellent choice. All right, so I'm just gonna take this little decoy out and put it in the purple. And then we can take it out. All right, so
Knit marker.
I think we're gonna put this
Yeah,
on
we
her
have to
face.
do like dots.
All right, so I'm just gonna like dot her face. This is so weird. The marker feels like the texture that I can feel on the Barbie feels so weird. I'm just gonna kind of like color her face a little bit. How do you like that, Barbie?
And then we're just gonna.
Alright, so I've kind of just colored her face a little bit. Just kind of going around and give her
Scout's like,
an
what are you
overall
doing?
look.
What are you doing
Alright.
with the Barbie?
Let's put the marker, cap the marker, and then we can put it in the mold. Alright, so we're just gonna put the Barbie back. Oops. Oh no, everything's like falling apart. Now we can put the mold in the face mask. Okay, so we're gonna put it into the mold. Barbie's waiting patiently. Alright, you wanna press that down? Alright.
Get up.
Oh my goodness.
Barbie.
Barbie fell. Can you
Oh,
pull
I
that
don't
back
know how
up?
to do it.
Oh my goodness, it's like stuck. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna carefully peel this out. It's made like a perfect face mold, so just gonna lay this on the Barbie's head, I think. Oh my goodness.
It's very creepy.
I'm just gonna kind of smooth it onto her. And then you pull it out, and I mean, there's a little bit, but it's all of the stuff has came off. Her face is shiny and perfect. All right, Scout, what do you think of that? Huh?
He's like, this is weird. What are you doing?
Yeah, totally.
Don't try
He's
to
like
do that to me.
chilling, and then the dog's like, "Where's my chair? I want to go in my chair now." Woof woof woof. They're so cute. So we can just kind of put the marker up here. I think Barbie's had a long day. She's ready to take a little snooze again. Maybe she can lay down right here with her head kind of resting on the chair. We can put this on her.
Scout, are you ready to get out? The dog is waiting. Fitness towel.
Yeah.
Let's see what color is Scout's favorite color.
We'll get the purple down. Scout, which one do you like the most? Huh? He's like looking all around like, what is this? Choose one, Scout. Which one do you like? Huh? He picks pink. Pink, blue. He doesn't know which one to go for. He's like, I think he's kind of looking at the blue.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to visit our channel and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching us opening the Barbie Day Spa with her little pet and the face mask and all that stuff. Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Hey.